Hi everybody, question number 735, asteroid collision. It's a medium question. We're given an array asteroids of integers representing asteroids in a row. For each asteroid, the absolute value represents its size and the sign represents its direction. So positive meaning right, negative meaning left. Each asteroid moves at the same speed. Find out the state of the asteroids after all collisions. If two asteroids meet, the smaller one will explode. If both are the same size, both will explode. Two asteroids moving in the same direction will never meet. So we have 5, 10, minus 5. So positive meaning is going right, and negative meaning is going left. So when 10 and minus 5 reach each other, the minus 5, because it's smaller, it explodes. This is going to the right, and this is going to the left. Okay. Also, if there was 5 and minus 5, both of them explode. Because it says both are the same size, both will explode. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is define a stack. Stack equal to an empty array. And we want to say for incoming in asteroids, we want to say, so each incoming in asteroids, like 5, 10, minus 5, if there is a stack, if stack is non-empty and stack minus 5 is bigger than 0. Minus 1, sorry, is bigger than 0. And incoming is less than 0. So basically, the stack one is positive and the incoming one is negative. So if that's the case, then we have some if statements. We want to say if the ABS of the stack minus 1, if it is less than ABS of incoming, so basically, if this is smaller than this, then pop it, and pop the stack. So stack.pop. Elif ABS of stack minus 1 bigger than ABS of incoming, then what do we do? So basically saying this is smaller than the incoming. Incoming equal to 0. Else, meaning if they're equal, stack.pop, and also make incoming 0. And here we say if there is an incoming, inside the asteroids there's an incoming, then append stack dot append incoming. So basically, why do we make it 0? Because then it won't go inside this. So basically, that number explodes, that number disappears. So 5 and 10 are inside stack, and we reach minus 5. So 10 is bigger than minus 5, or bigger than 5. So incoming becomes 0. And if incoming is 0, it doesn't go and doesn't append. So basically, it just stays with 5 and 10 inside the stack. And then at the end, we return the stack. Let's see if this works. This works. And there's a problem. Let's see what the problem is. Okay, so the reason is because we have an if statement. Instead of an if statement, we'll have to have a while statement. We're saying while stack and stack minus 1 bigger than 0 and incoming is less than 0. Do this or this or this. So that's the reason. So submit this. Yeah, and this works. So just to recap one more time, so we have a 5, and so it doesn't go inside this because the stack is empty, the first iteration. So it goes inside this. We append it to the stack. So the stack is basically, the stack is equals to 5 at first. The next one is 10. The incoming is 10. While there's a stack, which we do have a stack, and stack minus 1 bigger than 0, which it is, and incoming is less than 0. So this is not true. So it doesn't go inside this. And again, it appends the incoming. So the stack will become 5 and 10. And then the third one is the incoming is minus 5. We have a stack. Stack minus 1 is bigger than 0. Yes. And incoming is less than 0. Yes. So we check if ABS stack minus 1 is less than ABS incoming. It's not. This holds. ABS stack minus 1, which is the last item inside the stack, is bigger than ABS incoming, which is 5. So make incoming 0, and if incoming is 0, append to stack, basically. Yeah, but if incoming is 0, it doesn't go inside this to append. So so at the end, we only have 5 and 10. So that would be the result, basically. And so this was the answer to question 735, asteroid collision.